Chevrolet obviously did a lot right in 1966. Almost everything the company produced that year has achieved a wide following that seems to transcend several generations. Among that lineup, the 66 Nova claims one of the largest enthusiast followings. That's why classics like this impressive Chevy 2 Supersport never stick around our showroom for very long. Residing with the same loving owner for almost 30 years, this authentic Nova Supersport is the beneficiary of a meticulous 1.5-year restoration that began with all the car's panels being stripped to bare metal. Those panels were carefully layered in correct Marina Blue base and sealed in glossy clear. And today this retro chic coupe rolls as one spectacular piece of iconic American muscle that's poised, polished, and innately appealing. Open the doors and you'll find a correct blue interior. That restored cockpit is centered on fresh vinyl seats. A crack-free dash hangs rebuilt gauges next to a correct Delco AM radio. Color-keyed carpets float a flashy console around a traditional chrome shifter, and the driver turns a body-matched steering wheel. Toss the hood and you'll find 283 cubic inches of hot Chevrolet small block. Backing that V8 is a smooth Powerglide 2-speed that streams torque to a familiar 10-bolt axle that spins big 373 gears. Combining timeless aesthetics with a great drivetrain and a rock-solid restoration, this national award-winning Nova is the ideal car for cruising and showing. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.